resolving an IF or F1 error code on an LG refrigerator. If you are seeing an IF or F1 error code on your LG refrigerator's control panel, this indicates that the unit has detected a problem with the ice maker fan. The most common cause of an ice maker fan problem is frost or ice buildup around the fan. Excessive frost buildup in the unit is often caused by the doors not closing completely, hot food being left inside, the door not being level, or perhaps a child accidentally leaving the door open all night. To resolve the issue, unplug the refrigerator or trip the breaker to the unit for 2 minutes to reset, and then restore power to the unit. If the IF or F1 error code reappears, the next step is to manually defrost the refrigerator. To manually defrost your refrigerator, unplug it, remove all food, and empty the ice bin. Leave it unplugged with its doors open for at least 8 hours. Be sure to keep towels in and around the unit to soak up any water from melting frost. After 8 hours, use a dry towel to remove any moisture. Then close the refrigerator doors, plug the unit back in, and wait 24 to 48 hours for normal operation. To prevent future frost buildup issues, make sure the vents inside the refrigerator are not blocked. The refrigerator and freezer doors are properly leveled and aligned, and the refrigerator and freezer doors are closed completely. For French door units, also check the gasket alongside the door to ensure it is not torn or damaged. If the IF or F1 error code persists, the unit will require a repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.